Today we're talking about Urban Escape and Evasion, and we'll be using the Entity 23 Maxpedition pack. Now, if you have to make your way through an urban area during anything like a civil disturbance or natural disaster, an Urban Escape and Evasion pack can come in handy. Now, there's a lot of possible scenarios why you could be using a pack like this. In defense mode, you have a lot of options. We have a large-scale chemical dispersant like this, which will shoot mace in a fog pattern at over 30 feet. Now, whether you're the one using the chemical dispersant or law enforcement is, and you just got caught up in a wave of protests coming around a corner or what have you, a emergency respirator and CRBN filter like this will get you through anything from smoke from a wildfire to chemical dispersant to even chemical, radiological, or biological weapons. Here we have a tactical light. At over 1,000 lumens, this is good not just for lighting the way, but for self-defense. Shining this in someone's eye will temporarily blind them, allowing for escape. Now also, these have steel bezels, which are great for striking and using in a self-defense mode. Always have a quality tack light if you're going to use it for self-defense. We may not want to hurt anyone, only distract them so we can make our getaway. Now, flashbang simulators like this, used by members of airsoft teams, will look like a grenade, create a loud noise, freak everybody out, and let you get away. Now, this main pouch holds quite a bit. I even have a stripped down MRE, which is a meal ready to eat. So I have a full meal here that requires no preparation, just opening the pouch. I don't have to heat it, I don't have to add water, I don't have to cook it. Of course, we need more than food, we need water. In urban areas, water pollution and contamination is much more serious than wilderness, which is why we need a more heavy-duty, higher level of filtration from our bottles. So we always get a bottle, a filter that's used for urban areas and not wilderness. Here we have a portable reservoir, so I can pre-treat my water with chemicals before passing it through the high-level filtration. Should I need warmth or emergency shelter, I can pull out a heat sheet, a lightweight but strong emergency blanket that'll cover me and even form a bit of a pup tent. And of course, some chemical hand warmers. Just shake and squeeze, and I have heat. Now, to help me make my shelter or to rig up just about anything, I have some high tensile strength Kevlar string. This thin, lightweight string, it holds 1,000 pounds and is greatly resistant to burning, melting, or abrasion. Of course, in urban areas, charging capability is a must. We want to be able to communicate with our family, and believe it or not, you can carry a pure sine wave inverter like this, hook it up to any car battery that you find, plug it in, USB, household, doesn't matter. Charge your phone, laptop, whatever you need, any small electronic device. In my side pouch here, I have even more charging equipment, like this portable power bank here, which is water resistant and rugged, and will charge my smartphone at least 4 times. Of course, communications and navigation are a must. I have an emergency radio here that's very powerful. We'll go for miles in a city. My friends and family will have the same. We'll have pre-designated channels to use should anything happen that we can get a hold of each other in case cell phone systems are down or overloaded. Now, for navigation, I have a GPS device, high sensitivity, high quality, in this front pouch here. Now, again, in case cell phone towers go down, Wi-Fi's down, you can't use your phone for navigation, you want to look for some alternate routes through the city to avoid protests, checkpoints, what have you, you can use a high quality GPS navigation device. Now, when I was in confined space rescue, we always said if you have one light, then you have none, which is why I have a second light. In addition to the tack light, this is a headlamp which allows me to work hands-free and shine light wherever I look, wherever I need it. Of course, I have my work gloves for any dirty work, sharp objects, having to climb a fence or peel back a piece of metal. Who knows what happened that made you have to bug out, and if injuries are involved, we want to be able to stabilize them right away. So in this pouch here, I have everything I need. Gauze sponges, non-stick dressings, waterproof tape, emergency medical shears with glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, tourniquet, chest seal for sucking chest wounds, and here I have a hemostatic or a blood-stopping dressing, which is a much better option to a tourniquet when medical help is greatly delayed. We can even fit an emergency pressure dressing, otherwise known as an Israeli bandage. And of course, no first aid kit is complete without gloves. Of course, no escape and evasion bag would be complete without escape tools. Now here in the concealed carry compartment, I have my escape tools. With what I have in this pouch, I can gain entry to most conventional residential or commercial buildings through the front door and even release handcuffs. So as you can see, with the Entity 23's sleek urban design, you're gonna blend in. You're not gonna give off the red flags that you may in an urban area walking around with tactical gear, yet it's built just as good as any tactical pack out there, and it can hold anything you need for a wide range of emergencies. It's well built and it's attractive. Thank you for watching this episode of Maxpedition Survival Tips. For more on survival, you can visit casurvivaltraining.com. That's Charlie Alpha survivaltraining.com. And for the best tactical packs on the market, visit maxpedition.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Maxpedition Survival Tips.